Hi guys, dal Tadka is one of my favorite Indian food. It is prepared with lentils and flavored with a wide range of herbs and spices. It involves a cooking process called tempering, which the whole herbs are roasted briefly in ghee. I love it because it has a complex flavor as a result of the interplay of these spices. Let me show you how to make dal Tadka in this video. Let us begin with cooking the lentils separately from the spices. Wash the dal by changing the water a few times until it runs clear. Soak the dal with sufficient water. After about 30 minutes, the lentils will absorb plenty of water and expand. And the reason we soak the lentil is because soaked lentils takes a shorter time to cook. Add the soaked lentils to a pot of boiling water. Season with some salt and turmeric powder. When the water is boiling again, lower the heat to simmer the dal over low heat until it becomes soft and disintegrates. It takes me to simmer for about 45 minutes over the stovetop, but it is shorter if you use a pressure cooker. While cooking the dal, heat some ghee in a separate frying pan over medium heat. Add the cumin seeds and wait until it starts to splutter and the volume begins to swell. Now add the mustard seeds and the curry leaves and let it temper for about half a minute. Add the ginger, garlic and green chilies. Since I've blended the ginger, garlic and green chilies, I just pour it into the spices and cook until the water dries up and turns aromatic. Now add the chopped onion and saute with the spices until it becomes soft, translucent and tender, which will take about 2 to 3 minutes. After the onion is ready, pour in the chopped tomatoes and continue cooking for about 5 to 7 minutes or until it starts to disintegrate. Meanwhile, add coriander powder, the garam masala, chili powder, kasuri methi. When the tomatoes have become very soft, combine the mixture with the dal that we have cooked. Boil for another few minutes until it becomes homogeneous. Season with salt and sprinkle the chopped coriander leaves on it. Now we use some ghee to temper the spices. You can use a specially made Tadka pan, which is a small pan for tempering, or you can use any small frying pan instead of it if you don't have one. It is always best to use a generous amount of ghee for tempering to get the best results. Add the cumin seeds and wait for it to start crackling, followed by hing, dry chilies, and some Kashmiri chili powder. When all the spices turn aromatic, keep part of it aside and pour the rest into the dal while still boiling, and mix well. Now I want to infuse some smoky flavor to the dal by using the dungar method. Heat a small piece of charcoal on a wire rack over the stove. When the charcoal is hot, place it in the metal container and add 2 teaspoons of ghee. This step will immediately create plenty of smoke. The interaction between the heat and the ghee will produce a smoky, buttery aroma that will perfume the dal that you trap inside the pot. Remove the charcoal after 5 minutes. You can increase the intensity of the smoke flavor by increasing the duration up to 10 minutes. Finally, pour the dal into a serving bowl or a container. Heat the reserved spices until sizzling and pour it onto the dal. Garnish with more coriander leaves and serve. Thanks for watching, and I hope I have made it clear how to make dal tadka. If you'd like to get the recipe, I've included in the description right below the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button and give me a like. And I'll see you again in some other similar videos very soon on this channel, and bye for now.